Let's see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock is JSW Steel. We'll go to a daily chart and to understand the movement. Currently, JSW Steel bypassed the high made on Wednesday's session, which bodes well for the people who are in a buying side and into positional trade. So tomorrow's session I expect another bullish day. The reason for that is see this particular resistance level. And I don't think this bullish momentum is going to slow down anytime soon. Not for the last day of the week, and we can see JSW still making 9 to 10 rupees of progress in tomorrow's session. Second stock is Bharti Infratel. We are taking forward this particular call from yesterday's session to tomorrow's session as well, considering the bullish movement. This should be a decent resistance level, which is at 200, and the current market price is around 190. Let me check it. 197. So we can earn at least 3 rupees from 197 to 200, and after that, depending upon the how the bullish movement is taking place for the day, we can decide to either square up the position or wait for the further gains. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Havells India. We'll go to daily chart to understand. Similar to our first stock JSW Steel, Havells India bypass or rather cross the high made by the stock in Wednesday's session, which bodes well for people who want to buy Havells even at a decently high rate entry point in tomorrow's session. So what we are looking for? We are looking for Havells to go beyond 725, and then because of this particular resistance being tested and should be tested in tomorrow's session, we can earn handsome profit. Even it can go as high as 798 or even 800. Let's see what happens. Fourth and final stock is Tata Steel. Just look at a daily chart. This is a daily resistance over here, and just see the movement to this resistance. After this down movement, the stock went up and then it failed to cross the low of the previous rally, and again here there was a consolidation, so it broke this particular hurdle, and after that it is slowly and steadily making higher high and lower lows, which in an ideal case when a stock or index approaches a breakout region. So tomorrow's session, if we can see Tata Steel going above 415, we can easily see the momentum getting steeper, and it can reach high as 430. If you want to know all the important levels for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.